Good afternoon. This is Verona at the National Weather Service office in Peachtree City. This is the weekly weather briefing today, Thursday, September 10th. For our general overlook for the upcoming week, we will remain in a moist and tropical air mass through the next several days. This will result in scattered to numerous showers and a few thunderstorms each day. Our maximum temperatures should range in the 80s in North Georgia to around the low 90s in Central and South Georgia. There is a possibility of some cooler temperatures by the middle of next week with a frontal passage. Severe weather potential will be low as we do remain in a general thunder category for the next few days. The tropics are active, but no direct effects for Georgia except increased chances of rain during the upcoming week. And the Hurricane Center is watching two tropical storms in the Atlantic, Paulette and Renee, but they should remain in the Atlantic through the first of the week. For today, we do have a chance of showers and a few thunderstorms with better chances across central Georgia, mainly during this afternoon and evening. Today's severe potential is only general thunder for the entire area for today. For tomorrow, we do have better chances for showers and a few thunderstorms across central with chance category in the northwest corner. For the temperatures, we do have highs in the upper 80s to lower 90s. For Saturday, showers and thunderstorms again likely, mostly across the entire area. Highs again in the 80s to near 90, central Georgia and into the southern portion of the state. Sunday is right now looking like just a repeat of Saturday with showers and thunderstorms likely. Not much change in temperatures, 80s to lower 90s. Overall, through the next 7 days, the total amounts for rainfall should be greater across the northern half of Georgia, with amounts ranging from 1 to 2 inches, and there could be some areas of 2, 2.5, or 3 inches in the northeast corner. And then we have lesser amounts expected elsewhere, from Atlanta south to Macon, Columbus, Vidalia. And this is a 7-day total. Generally, for the upcoming week, we're looking at max temperatures pretty much mid to upper 80s. Will be some low 90s in central Georgia, and possibly by Wednesday a few degrees cooler. There is possibility of a frontal passage. Low temperatures at night will continue to be humid with lows mostly in the 70s and maybe some mid 60s across the north. And this is specifically for Atlanta, but it's not going to be that much different for the remainder of the area. And we do have chances of showers and thunderstorms each day. Probably best chances for Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and going into Tuesday. As far as the tropics go, there are several disturbances worth noting. The three that are closest into the Gulf and the Western Atlantic will not really cause any major problems for Georgia. Just looking at an increase in rain chances over the next 2 to 3 days, rain and scattered thunderstorms. And then Paulette and Renee out in the Atlantic are expected to stay out in the Atlantic through the next several days. And the Hurricane Center is watching these for possible development. All in all, not too much um, going on, except we will remain in a moist, muggy, humid air mass through much of the week, into the weekend and to the first of next week. And as we said, this will be resulting in scattered to numerous showers and a few thunderstorms each day. The temperatures mostly in the 80s across the north to low 90s, central and into South Georgia. And if we do get a frontal passage by the end of the extended period, by the middle of next week, we could have temperatures a few degrees cooler. Severe potential, just general thunder for the next few days. And with the active tropics, we're not looking at any direct effects for Georgia except for increased rain chances during the upcoming week. And like we said, the Hurricane Center is watching the two tropical storms in the Atlantic, Paulette and Renee, but they're not posing any threat for our local area for the time being. So this is all we have for this week, and here you see where you can contact us if you need be with questions or any requests you might have. And that's all I have for today, and thank you. Have a good afternoon.